सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 202। विनिवृत्तिर्भवेत् तस्य सम्यक् ज्ञानेन नान्यथा ब्रह्मात्मैकत्वविज्ञानम् सम्यक् ज्ञानं श्रुतेर्मतम्। Shankaracharya, dealing with the topic of Anatma, the Pancha Koshas, the 5 layers of the body. Anatma number 1, Annamaya Kosha. Anatma number 2 is Pranamaya Kosha. Anatma number 3 is Manomaya Kosha. Anatma number 4 is Vijnanamaya Kosha. Now we are seeing that fourth Anatma, which is superimposed on the Atma. By the negation of Anatma, we arrive at the true nature, that is Atma, one's own nature. Therefore, a Vedantic student, first job is to negate the Anatma, not physically, but intellectually understanding that Vijnanamaya Kosha is not me, it belongs to me. Whatever I belong, whatever belongs to me is not me. This understanding is very, very important. Has been negated. Now the fourth Anatma, Vijnanamaya Kosha, intellectual body, also Shankaracharya negated with this shloka. Finally he concludes this negation of Anatma is possible only by Samyak Jnanam. Negation of Anatma is possible only by right knowledge. Samyak Jnanam means what? Right knowledge. This Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha put together, we can call it as a Sukshma Shariram. So, Sthula Sharira Nishedha. I am not Sthula Shariraha, physical gross body. Nishedha, negation. I am not even the Sukshma Shariraha also. People are talking, the soul is traveling, Sukshma Sharira is traveling. This traveling, I am traveling when this bhavana comes. When I take myself as Sukshma Sharira. When I look at me as a jiva, as Sukshma Sharira, then only the question of travel comes. That is why they talk about going to Swargaloka. All these things they talk. For a jnani, there is no gati, traveling. Because jnani recognizes I am not the sthula shari, sukshma shariram also. Therefore, I need not travel. Jnani has no gati at all, agati. No purogati, no adhogati, no unnata gati. Dakshinayana margam, Uttarayana margam, they are talking. All these margams, Shuklagati, Krishnagati. If you don't do punya karmas, adhogati. For jnani, what is the gati? No gati, agati. We may feel, Shukla gati nalla irukku Swamini, agati anna nalla illeye. Gatiye illeye avarku pavam anna. Gati is not necessary for jnani. He understands I am all-pervading, ever-evident, eternal, nitya atma aham asmi jnanam. This is called samyak jnana. This is right knowledge. What is the guarantee, Swamini? You are telling it is right knowledge. But how can I rely upon your words? You need not rely upon my words. Shankaracharya says, Shrutehe matam. This is said by Shastra, not by any Swami or Swamini's Sonta Sahityam kadiyadu. This is said by Shastra, Veda. Veda Pramanam. So therefore, Brahma Atmaikatva Vijnana. Then what is Samyak Jnana? Right knowledge. I have this knowledge, that knowledge. So many we are having. But Shastra says, all these jnanams keep it aside. I don't bother. Are you having this knowledge or not? What knowledge? Brahma Atma Ekatva Vijnanam. Don't. So Upahita Chaitanyam, Upadhi is that Buddhi, Vijnanamaya Kosha is the Upadhi. The superimposition take place. So the transfer, this is called Adhyasa. That is called Adhyasa. So Adhyatmika, Adhyasika, not Adhyatmika, Adhyasika Tadatmyam alone is called Mithya Bhranti. Adhyasika, superimposition of the attributes of the Upadhi on the Upahita Chaitanya Atman. The crystal is Upahitam. The flower is the Upadhi. The color, the attributes of the flower superimposed on the crystal. Similarly, Atma, the consciousness is very clear like crystal. It is very pure. But Buddhi, what are the attributes? You can take at the physical level, mental level and intellectual level. Physical level, I am short, I am tall, I am weak, I am strong, superimposing on the Atma. I am sad, I am happy, mental emotions superimposed on Atma. And I am intelligent person. This is intellectual superimposition on Atma. I am hungry. I am thirsty, you know. So these are all the pranamaya kosha attributes I superimpose on Atma. Therefore, these are all comes under adhyasa. So therefore, vinivrittihi. So you have to give up, negate all these. Tasya means jivasya, adhyasya jiva bhavaha samyak jnanet, samyak jnanena. Samyak jnanena tasya jiva bhavaha means adhyasya jiva bhavaha nashyati. Samyak jnanena. Other than samyak jnanam, is there any method? Suppose anybody come and asks, na anyatha, Shankaracharya says, there is no other method. By doing bhajan or by doing meditation, by doing some kundalini meditation, samadhi yoga and all is, can I get samyak jnanam? No. That's why na anyatha. Only shastra shruti vakye dwara eva. That is very important. So that is why to see your face just as you use the mirror, is there any other way? Tell me. To see your face what is the way? Kannadi, avladha. You have to see in the mirror. There are no anyatha, no other method. Similarly, to know your real nature, you have to look into the Shastra Darpanam. You have to look into the Shastra Darpanam. There is a beautiful, funny shloka. Yasya nasti swayam prajna. First line, yasya nasti swayam prajna tasya karoti kim. Shastram tasya karoti kim. So Shastra is there. Vedas are available from long time. But konchamavathu buddhi irukkanum vendamo, think panna vendamo. Yasya nasti swayam prajna. What is real, what is unreal? So that swayam prajna is not there. Shastram karoti kim. What Shastra can do? All are available, Swamini. In my house also there are so many books. But on the book la irukra value enna therinjukadum purinjukadum oru manasulo konjam oru alochana varanam illaya. So Shastram tasya karoti kim. For him, what Shastra can do? Like Lochanabhyam vihinasya darpanam kim karishyati. Lochanabhyam na kannu illadavanikku. Lochanabhyam vihinasya. The person who is not having eyes, if you show a mirror, hey, look at your face and sonna, enna use? Darpanam kim karishyati. What mirror can do? What way mirror is useful for a blind person? Mirror there, even you make him to stand in that glass, the house full of mirrors everywhere. He can he see his face? No. Lochanabhyam vihinasya darpanam kim karishyati. First என்ன இருக்கணும்? லோச்சனம், கண் இருக்கணும். அது இல்லைன்னா முகம் பார்த்துக்க முடியாது. அதே மாதிரி சாஸ்திரம் இருக்கு, நிறைய புக்ஸ் இருக்கு. பட் to look into Shastra, to study Shastra, I need a guru, proper guru, who can unfold the Shastra in a proper manner. I must have some buddhi to study. That's what Shankaracharya is going to say. Use your viveka. So, samyak jnanam, how to get? Now, next question. Samyak jnanam alone removes this problem. Jiva Bhava, Jivatva Bhava. How to get that Samyak Jnanam? For that I will give a clue. Now title shloka is coming. Title song madre. எல்லா சினிமாவில் டைட்டில் சாங் சீரியல்ஸ் கூட டைட்டில் சாங் இருக்குல்ல இப்போ அந்த பாட்டை போட்டாலே நமக்கு தெரியும் ஓஹோ பலான சீரியல் வருது என்ன டைட்டில் டியூன் அந்த ஒரு டியூனே இருக்கும் ஒரு சீரியலுக்கு ஒரு டியூனு இதெல்லாம் அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எப்படியான்னு ஸோ சங்கராச்சாரியோட சொல்லார் ஒரு டைட்டில் கொடுக்க போகிறார் இப்போ ஸ்லோகா இது லுக் இன் டு தேட் ஸ்லோகா 203 तदात्मानात्मनो सम्यक् विवेकेनैव सिद्ध्यति ततो विवेकः कर्तव्यः प्रत्यगात्मा सदात्मनोः A correction in the second line. Pratyagatma asadatmanoho. There is a line should come in the middle. Pratyagatma kaparam or line varanam. So pratyagatma sadatmanoho. When you split it, pratyagatma asadatmanoho. So Jivatma Paramatma Aikya Jnanam, how is it possible? Without Atma Jnanam, that is Jivatma Jnanam, real nature of individual, Paramatma Jnanam is not possible. Paramatma Jnanam is not possible. Where people commit mistakes, they start inquiring into the nature of Ishvara. Who is God? Where is God? How he looks? He or she or it. So they go on doing lot of research upon this Paramatma. Why he is having 4 hands? Why he is having 8 hands? Like this, people are busy. There are people, there are systems. Paramatma Jnanattikaha, they are working. And Shankaracharya says, Paramatma Jnanam is not at all possible without the Jivatma Jnanam. Tvampada Vichara is primary job of the Vedantic seeker. Tvampada Vichara Vititi, Tatpada Vichara Pandana Yapadi Varumana Varadu. Tvampada Vichara means Jiva Vichara. Vicharamanna Tamil Vicharam kadiyadu, enquiry and artham. Analysis. How you have to analyze Shruti Yukti Dwara. Shruti Yukti Dwara. Shastra Shrutehe Matam means we have to understand in the previous verse also. Shrutehe Matam means Shruti Dwara, Tarka, Yukti Dwara. So these both are important. Tarka Shastra, Tarka Shastri, a Shastri who is talking about Tarka, a person who is a Tarkika says Shastra is secondary, logic is primary for my knowledge. Tarkika means a logician. What he says? By logic you will get this knowledge. That is his approach. Kevala Tarka. Kevala Tarka. Purvamimamsaka says Tarka is not at all necessary. Shastra alone gives knowledge. Tarka avashyame kadiyadu. Primary is Shastra. Tarka is not necessary. What Tarkika says? Shastra is not necessary, secondary. Primary is Tarka. Mimamsaka says Shastra alone is important, primary. Tarka irundalum illattalum kuda paravale ani solluva. But Vedantin, who is Vedantin Advaiti? We. Who is studying Advaita philosophy, they are called Vedantins. What we say, Shastra Sammata Tarkana. The Shastra backed by the Shastra. Tarka also important. A Tarka which is backed by the Shastra. So Shastra is in front, use the Tarka also. Both you have to use. So therefore, that is the right knowledge you will get. Tada, then what will happen by that samyak jnanam? Tada, atma anatmanoho samyak vivekenaiva siddhyatina. That samyak jnanam is possible. The above said samyak jnanam, right knowledge, is possible by atma anatma viveka. Samyak viveka. Samyak and children. The right, exactly you have to do a proper analysis. Viveka means discrimination. Discrimination means viveka. Viveka, discrimination between what and what? Atma and Anatma. Atma means real, Anatma means unreal. Discrimination between real and unreal. What is real? What is unreal? Why it is alone real? Why it is not real? Why it is unreal? What are the reasons? I have to dwell upon that. Adi samyak vivekam. Vivekena eva siddhyati means possible, attainable. You can accomplish. Samyak vijnanam is possible by samyak viveka. Samyak viveka is what? Discrimination between that real and the unreal, or Atma and Anatma. Atma is real, Anatma is unreal. What is the difference between these two? Within half an hour can I discriminate between Atma and Anatma? Half an hour can I discriminate? Or 1 hour? Or 1 week? 1 month? Shankaracharya says, I do not know. It depends on your intellect, buddhi, grasping power, your chitta shuddhi, samskara, sukshma buddhi, depends on that. For one person, it few hours, for one person, few weeks, for some people, decades it may take. For a uttama adhikari, it is few months or few days enough. For Madhyam Adhikari, 1 decade or 2 decades. Adham Adhikari, Janmas. So therefore, how can I say? Samyak vivekenaiva siddhyati tataha. Sari. Then what I have to do? Do vivekana. Tataha. Therefore. Therefore means wherefore. Since samyak jnanena eva jiva bhavaha nashyati. Therefore, samyak jnanam eva kartavyam, samyak jnanam eva praptavyam. You have to attain samyak jnanam. How can I get samyak jnanam? Samyak vivekena eva. Then how can I get samyak viveka? Start viveka. Study Viveka Chudamani. The title shloka. Tataha vivekaha kartavyaha. Vivekaha of what? Pratyagatma asadatmanoho. Asadatma means unreal. Asadatma. Asadatmana means body, mind, intellect. Mithyabhuta atma asadatma. Pratyagatma means pratyak means the inner self. Yo veda nihitam guhayam parame vyoman Shnute sarvan kaman saha. That is Pratyagatma. Yo veda nihitam guhayam. Ange inge vedila thedade. Ulla irukku. Pratyagatma, that who is inwards, introvert. That which is Atma is Pratyagatma, available as your own self. Then Shastra says, don't search inside. Don't search outside. Enna pannuva? Start searching inside. Shastra says, don't search inside also. It is unobjectifiable. It is unobjectifiable. The one who is searching alone is that Atma. Understand. That is the meaning of this shloka. Next shloka we will read. So you have to do discrimination. Discrimination, there are two interpretations. Caste discrimination, race discrimination, and the mother discrimination kadiyadu. This is different meaning. Discrimination means vikchakshana. Pariksha lokan karmachitan brahmano nirvedam ayat. Parikshinchi, parisininchi, parishodhinchi. Have to think over how can people how can I become that all-pervading, evident, self-evident consciousness? அப்படி இருந்தது என்ன பண்ணணும்? How can I become this body anu சொல்லணும் first. How can I become this flesh and blood body? How can I become this matter mind? How can I become these 5 elements, the body, parthiva deham? அப்படி சொல்லணும் இல்லையோ? Ajnani says, I am the body, I have consciousness. சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? எனக்கு ஒரு கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இருக்கு, எனக்கு ஆத்மா இருக்கா உள்ளன்னு சொல்றோம். I have ஆத்மா. கொஞ்சம் விவேக சூடாமணி படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன சொல்லணும்? I am consciousness, I have the incidental body to transact. இப்படி சொல்லணும். இதுதான் shifting from I am the body, I have Atma. From that I have to shift to I am the consciousness, I am the spiritual being with incidental human body. Spiritual divine entity with a human body. Next shloka 204. Jalam pankavadhatyantam pankapaye jalam sphutam yatha bhati tathatmapi dosha bhave sphuta prabhah. Now Shankaracharya gives an example. how to do viveka. How to do viveka? The simple example சொல்றேன், அது மாதிரி பண்ணு நீ கூடன்னு சொல்றாரு. What is that example? Pankavat atyantam jalam. The jalam, the water, pankavat, pankavat endowed with that pasi. Panka means pasi, the greenish, no, it covers the water. கீழே தண்ணி இருக்கனே தெரியாது. Full of pasi. So that is called panka. Pankavat atyantam panka, but thick, dense, ரொம்ப திக்கா இருக்கு. It is not allowing the person to see the water. நல்லா அப்படியே கவர் பண்ணிருக்கேன் fully. Jalam, when you can see that water, jalam, panka apaye jalam sputam. Suppose you feel thirst, நல்ல தாகமா இருக்கு, இங்க ஏதோ தண்ணி இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கேன்னு, if you move that பாச்சி, என்ன பாச்சி இருக்கிற தண்ணி எப்படி குடிக்க முடியும் சுவாமினி? அதுதான் கிளீனா இருக்கும் உள்ள. It is not a pachi, because of that leaves, small leaves all will fall on that water. So they will cover the water. Once you move like that, or you want to wash your face, so the water you can see the clear water. Water, jalam sputam, clear water you can see. When panka apaye. So with your hand you have to push that pasi. Once you push it, you can see the clear water, clean water. அதே மாதிரி இங்க ஹேண்ட் மூலமா ஏதாவது பண்ண முடியுமா? இந்த அனாத்மா நீ அப்படியே போன்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா? என்ன கேன் யூ புஷ் வித் லைக் தட்? பாசி மாதிரி தள்ள முடியுமா? Physical action is not necessary here. So my erroneous perceptions, that only I have to push. Again, push, not a physical action, it is intellectually. Yatha bhati, just as the water appears. Bhati means appears. Once you remove the pasi, that panka, tatha, in that manner, atma api dosha abhave sputa prabha. Atma also shines when you push that doshas. All erroneous perceptions are called dosha. Erroneous notions removed by the knowledge. So adhyasa is called erroneous perception. Superimposition, bhranti, is called erroneous perception. Seeing one thing as the other. Understanding one thing as the other is called erroneous perception. Taking the body, mind as myself is erroneous perception. Giving that all roles, fatherhood, motherhood, teacherhood, studenthood, all these roles are all mithya. All these roles you are giving reality to them. And what are all problems are coming through that roles, also you are giving reality. Once you give reality to the roles, what will happen? You will roll away. Naturally, the roles will not sit quietly, Brother-in-law, sister-in-law, mother-in-law, all roles will come and disturb me and rolls me away. So this is called erroneous perception. The erroneous perception will not stop by itself. One error leads to many problems. If I miss to see the rope as rope, I see the snake. Once I see the snake, erroneous perception leads to sweating. Second perception, wrong perception. Because of wrong perception leads sweating, and I'll get lot of frowning, shouting, crying. The erroneous perception, the effects of that erroneous perception. கயிறா பார்க்காமலே பாம்பா பார்த்தான்னா என்னென்ன கான்சிக்வன்ஸ் வரப்படுது லிஸ்ட் எழுதுக்கோங்க. அதே மாதிரி not seeing the self as self and seeing the body mind intellect complex as real, once I take it as real, connected to this body mind complex are also real, and the problems also I take it as real, and my sorrow also is real, and everything is real, then my life will become miserable. எங்கேயாவது யாராவது சுவாமியார் விபூதி கொடுத்தா மகளில் வச்சுக்கணும், இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாம் போயிடுமே, ஒரு குங்குமம் கொஞ்சம் கொடுங்க, விபூதி கொஞ்சம் கொடுங்க, அங்கே போய் இங்கே போய் கெஞ்சி கெஞ்சி கேட்க வேண்டியதாச்சு. என்ன எதுக்காக கேட்குறேன் நான் இப்படி? என்ன பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் மை எரோனியஸ் பர்செப்ஷன், because of ajnana. Therefore, tatha atma api dosha abhave, remove all these erroneous perception. How can I remove erroneous perception, Swamini? The screen madri apdi tallillama na. Consistent, systematic study of scriptures under a competent teacher for a length of time alone make you free from that erroneous perception. No other way. Time illaya, all the best next birth. What teacher can do? If you postpone in this janma, next janma. But if you want to come out of these problems, you have to study. So dosha bhava prabhaha sphutam, sphuta prabhaha, atma, how it appears very clearly, very clear, very clear, crystal clear. Prabha means shining. The shining, prabha anchunna udane the atma is shining. People take it literally and என்ன லைட்டிங் ஒன்றும் காணமே, எந்த பிரபா கிபான்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க சுவாமினி. சும்மா அது வார்த்தை இல்லை, பிரபா இன்னும் கிடையாது. ஆத்மா இஸ் எவர் எஃபல்ஜென்ட் ஷைனிங், சும்மா வார்த்தை அது. இட் இஸ் ஐ தி கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ், தட்ஸ் ஆல். டோன்ட் extend that examples and words and all and get confused, no? You will get into problems, no? Next shloka. Asannivruttau tu sadatmana sputam pratitiretasya bhavet pratichaham tato nirasah karaniya eva sadatmanas sadvahamadivastunah. It's very, very important slokas. Asannivruttau tu sadatmana sphutam. He is making very more description about that same example, elaborately explaining how to get that clear knowledge. Asal first you have to come out that misconceptions. Atma paakaradhe ennamo darshanam lighting idella, all that erroneous perceptions you have to come out first. See, this is the teacher's job to, remove all these notions first. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அந்த மனசு க்ளீன் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் ஏதாவது வைக்க முடியும் மனசுல இல்லையா? I used to give an example. ஞாபகம் இருக்கோ? You put a blackboard, to write on the blackboard. What are the conditions? 2 conditions are important. First, it should not be already scribbled. Board must be clean. Already scribbled on the board. What can I write on the board? அது மேல எழுதிட்டேன்னா ஏதாவது தெரியுமா? So to read something on the board, to write on the board, it is clear when it is clean. So that's why when the teacher is coming into the class, hey, board clean பண்ணி வெச்சுக்கணும் ரெடியா. Otherwise அந்த லெசனும் இருக்கணும் இந்த லெசனும் இருக்கணும், ஏது எழுதுனது தெரியாது. So you must wipe fully, and then it is clear whatever she writes. அதே மாதிரி மனசு கூட அந்த மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் எண்ணம் வச்சுட்டு அது படிச்சு இந்த புக்கு படிச்சு அந்த புக்கு படிச்சு நிறைய தாட்ஸ் வச்சுட்டு அது அந்த ஃப்ரேம்லயே இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் கூட கேட்டுட்டே இருப்போம். இதுதான் many people does. I have seen highly educated people also does the same thing. அந்த ஆத்தர் புக்கு இந்த ஆத்தர் புக்கு எல்லா புக்கு படிச்சு 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 ஒரு ஃப்ரேம்ல அந்த தாட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவா, ஒரு சுவாமி கிட்ட போய் படிக்கும்போது they want to tally with this whatever they have studied. இது scribbled board மாதிரி. இந்த மைண்ட் வந்து scribbled board. Nothing will enter. Such a student, how many years he listen also, he will never get jnana. That's why sometimes our teacher says we have to brainwash. Brainwash தான் பண்ணணும். இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் ஆலோசனை வச்சுட்டு நீ வந்து you are trying to tally with my teaching. அதுக்கு தான் ஓப்பன் மைண்டட். கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா என்ன சொன்னாரு? ஸ்ரத்தா அனசூயா. So he must be open-minded. Give up all your, keep aside, but don't tally with your what you have. That they may be right, they may not be right. Keep them aside. Don't junk food மாதிரி அது மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி இது மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி சலாடு மாதிரி பண்ணாதே. அதுக்கப்புறம் not only that, they'll ask the teacher, சுவாமிஜி அந்த புக்கில் அப்படி இருக்கே, இந்த புக்கில் அப்படி இருக்கே, அவர் இப்படி சொன்னாரு இவர் இப்படி சொன்னாரு. ஒரே தலைவலிதான். அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வந்தா பாவம் அந்த குருவுக்கு அவ்வளவுதான். That is why innocent, simple students are best for Vedanta. Highly educated people, highly educated, even though they are educated, when they come to a guru, they should accept the guru totally. I should not go with my intellectual knowledge or scholarship. Adita tagarare. When I go to a guru, shastra, brahmanishta, shrotriya guru, I should keep holds my scholarship aside. Next condition what? The board should be steady. First one is clean. Then it is steady. Suppose it is go on moving like this calendar. If it is go on moving, how a teacher can write, tell me? That's why they fix the board. ஆடாமலே அசையாமலே பண்ணி ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணாத நல்லா அழகா எழுத முடியும். அதுதான் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கூட கன்சிஸ்டண்டாக கிளாஸுக்கு வந்துட்டே மூக்கு சூட்டியா எல்லாரும் உட்கார வேண்டாம், சும்மா கிளாஸில் உட்காரணும். ஸ்டடியஸ் சாஸ்திரம் கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கணும். கொஞ்ச நாள் அங்கே கொஞ்ச நாள் இங்கே கொஞ்ச நாள் அங்கே படித்து அது படித்து இது படித்து ஸ்டெடினஸ் இல்லைன்னா பண்ண முடியாது. So therefore the clear knowledge is possible only by the person who is having a steady mind, a clean and clear mind. Let it be there. I might have studied many books, maybe I may be wrong, my interpretation may be wrong. Let me look into this. Once I study some extent, then you can know what are all the things you have studied. Maybe my understanding, and I can see after studying. Firstly, tally பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸோ அதுதான் ஸ்புடம். அதுக்காக இந்த வேர்டுக்காக இத்தனை சொன்னேன். புரியுறதா? ஸ்புட்டம்னா என்ன? ஸ்புட்டம்னு சொல்லிகிட்டே போறாரு. அவருக்கு பாட்டு அவர் என்ன நாலெட்ஜ் இருக்கும், பட் ஸ்புடம் ஞானம் இருக்காது சில பேருக்கு. ஸோ அசன்னிவృத்தௌ து சதாத்மனா ஸ்புடம். when this asat nivrittau satyam, asat means false self understanding. I know atma. What you know? I know atma. அவ்வளவுதான் தெரியும். என்ன ஆத்மன்னா அதுதான் தெரியாதுன்னு. I know. Asat nivritti. Asat atma means false I. As atma. இந்த false I ஆத்மாவா நினைக்கிறது. அந்த ரிஃப்ளெக்டட் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் பிரதிபிம்ப சைத்தன்யமே தானு అని நினைக்கிறது. That's why in Chandogya Upanishadல one beautiful example comes. You look into the water, your face, that is atma అని சொல்லுவார் பிரம்மாஜி. சொன்ன உடனே விரோச்சனா தாட், ஆமா நான் தான் ஆத்மா நினைச்சு இந்த தேகமே ஆத்மான்னு நினைப்போம். விரோச்சனா and Indra, both of them, Brahmaji given advertisement one day. I am taking Gita classes, Vedanta classes, who are all interested, they can come. You know, this Asura Lokam, Deva Lokam, Rundu Lokam, even Brahmaji were local Ukandikar. From Deva Loka, Indra comes, from Asura Loka, even Virochana, our Guru, Rakshasa Guru comes. Both of them come. Brahmaji won't teach immediately. 30 வருஷமோ 300 years சர்வ் பண்ணணும். குரு கிட்ட சர்வ் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் they will teach. Guru will not teach immediately. Really the student is deserved for this ஞானம் or not. அவர் என்ன சொல்லிட்டாரு, பிரதிபிம்பம் பார்க்குற இல்லையோ அதுதான் ஆத்மா ன்னு சொல்லுவார் ஒரு வாட்டி. If really he is interested, he will get a doubt, he will come back. The teachers will not teach. So Virochana thought, see, this body is Atma. Indra also, this body is thought Atma. நினைச்சு ரெண்டு பேர் போறான். போகும்போது they are going in different ways. அவர் லோகம் வேற, இவர் லோகம் வேற. போகும்போது விரோச்சனருக்கு டவுட்டே வரல. அதுதான் இந்த ராட்சசஸ் all are தேஹா pampering, tamasic nature. They take only body as real. But Indra got doubt on the way. அம்மா இந்த பாடி எப்படி ஆத்மா ஆக முடியும், இதுல ஏதோ இருக்கு திரக்காசு சொல்லி பின்னாடி திருப்பி வர்றாரு பிரம்மாஜி கிட்ட. இந்த தேகம் ஆத்மா ஆக முடியாது, நீங்க வேற ஏதோ இருக்கு எனக்கு சொல்லணும்னு சொன்னார். சரி என்று சொல்லி திருப்பி he starts the teaching. அது மாதிரி no guru will teach immediately that whether the student is really qualified or not. So asat nivrittau, the false I as atma, that nivrittihi means free from. Nivrittau satyam, that means annamayadinam anatmanam nivrittau satyam. Annamaya, pranamaya, manomaya, vijnanamaya nivritti pandanum. I have to be free from, I am not that. 4 points you have to supply. I am not the part of the body. I, the consciousness, is not the product of the body. I, the consciousness, is not the property of the body. I, the consciousness, is independent of the body. I, the consciousness, inside the body, outside the body. I, the consciousness, enlivens the body. I, the consciousness, survives even after the fall of the body. இதுதான் நிவೃತ್ತಿ. இந்த மாதிரி சொல்லிண்டே இருக்கணும். ஸோ அப்போ சதாத்மான ரியல் ஆத்மா. சதாத்மா மீன்ஸ் ரியல் ஆத்மா. அசத் மீன்ஸ் அன்ரியல், சத் மீன்ஸ் ரியல். சதாத்மனா ஸ்புடம். ஏதஸ்ய pratitihi, pratichaha pratitihi bhavet. Pratichaha means sadatma, satya atma. Pratitihi means it's available, attainable. Knowledge, pratitihi means knowledge. Bhavet means you will get that knowledge. Clear knowledge, ascertainment. I am Atma alone. If anybody comes and says, no, you are not Atman, na Atma da. No one can shake me. Unshakable knowledge. Doubtless knowledge is clear knowledge. Pratitihi, etasya pratichaha pratitihi bhavet. Pratichaha means pratyagatma. Pratichaha, of that real self anardham. Shashti, ekavachanam. Pratichaha pratitihi bhavet. The knowledge of that real self will take place when asat nivrittau. Tataha, therefore, tasmat karanat. Tataha means what? Because of that reason, once you negate this false self, the real self will be evident. You can ascertain that you are the real self. Therefore, nirasaha karaniyaha eva. You have to give up, negate, segregate. Nirasaha means segregate, negate. What you have to segregate, negate? Adi theriyala na Swami anna. Adi therinjukano. Ahamadi vastunaha nirasaha karaniyaha. You have to negate the objects like Vijnanamaya Kosha. Aham adi means what? Aham. Aham iti, I am engeda varade. So I am. Yam is sat, I is chit. So the existence principle I am is sat. So I is the chit. That ahamadi vastanahanas in the buddhila irikkiran ahankaram irikkillayo. And the buddhi, manasu, prana, annamaya kosha, adi padat, all other koshas also, these are all comes under a what? Vastu. Objects. ஒரு கிளிப்பு மாதிரி. இந்த கிளிப் எப்படியோ இந்த அன்னமய கோஷம் அப்படி. யாருக்கு? ஒரு ஞானி. ஒரு பொருள் அவ்வளவுதான். மேட்டர். பட் வாட் இஸ் த சீக்ரெட்? என்ன இதுக்கு பாவம் சைத்தன்யம் இருந்தால் இதுல ஷைன் ஆகாது. இதெல்லாம் இது சொன்னா இல்லையா ரிஃபைன்டு கிளேன்னு. இது வந்து ரிஃபைன்டு கிளே. தட்ஸ் வை ஆத்மா இஸ் ஷைனிங், எவிடென்ட், அவைலபிள். பட் ஹியர் சத் இஸ் தேர், பட் சித் இஸ் நாட் தேர். சித் இஸ் நாட் எவிடென்ட். சித்து இருக்கு, இருந்தாலும் கூட இந்த மீடியம் வந்து இட் இஸ் நாட் ரிஃபைன்ட் எனஃப் டு ரிஃப்ளெக்ட். But in the medium irukkillayo, it has got a capacity to reflect. Therefore, sadatmanaha sadhuhu. Sadhuhu means that is the right way of knowledge. Ahamadi vastunaha sadatmanaha nirasaha karaniyaha eva. So from the sadatma, real atma, asadatma, which is buddhi, chitta, ahankara, deha, prana, all I have to nirasaha kartavyaha. Nirasa kartavya, venda, venda, tallidanu avladha. Nirasaha kartavyaha. Next shloka. अतो नायं परात्मा स्यात् विज्ञानमय शब्दभाक् विकारित्वात् जडत्वाच्च परिच्छिन्नत्वहेतुतः दृश्यत्वाद् व्यभिचारित्वात् नानित्यो नित्ययिष्यते। Now Shankaracharya, from this verse onwards, so Vijnanamaya Kosha concluded with this verse. He gives concluding verses. Concluding words. What are they? Because of these reasons, Vijnanamaya Kosha is unreal or false. What are those reasons? Ayam Vijnanamaya Koshaha na Paratma. Vijnanamaya Shabdabhak. It is only a name. Shabdabhak means what? It is a name, another name for matter. Why? Vikaritvat, number 1. Jadatvat, number 2. I will explain. Parichannatvat, number 3. Number 4, Drishyatvat. Number 5, Vibhicharitvat. Because of all these reasons, this Vijnanamaya Kosha can never be called as Paratma. So Vikaritvat. Vikaritvat means Vijnanamaya Kosha is nature, is changing nature. Vikar, modification. It is go on modifying, changing. Whereas Sadatma, Satya Atma is avikari, nirvikari. Number 2, Vijnanamaya Kosha is Jadam, Jadatvat. Because the Jada nature, inert nature. Atma is sentient nature. Parichinnatvat, limited. This Vijnanamaya Kosha has got limitation. Whereas Atma is aparichinnam. It has no limitation at all. Number 4, Drishyatvat. It is objectifiable. I know I am a dull person, I know I am an intelligent person. Drishyatvat, objectifiable. Whereas Atma is Drik, not Drishyam. Drashta, Sakshi. So Atma is Sakshi, whereas Atma is Sakshi means a subject. Whereas this intellect is, Vijnanamaya Kosha is objectifiable, Drishyatvat. Then the last one, Vyabhicharitvat. It is not same all the time, it is going here and there. Vyabhichara Swarupam, there is a technical term is there. I will explain you in the next class what is Vyabhichara Swarupam, what is Avyabhichara Swarupam. So we will deal these points in the next class very clearly, so that we will go to the next subject. The topic is a different topic, is going to come more in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om.